as you can see on the fridge, cold drinks, sandwiches, bait, ice cream on the other side. Look at this. All right, today we got our cooler. This is not a normal cooler. It's actually a refrigerated cooler with a battery embedded into the system itself. This is gonna last you about 20 hours fully charged, right? Right now, currently we are plugged in right now. We're charging it. So what's the best thing I do? I load it up with waters and some diet sodas, and then we're gonna set this up into a freezing zone right now. There's a basket in here that you could take out if you can't reach the stuff on the bottom. If you want more space, you could remove this. LED lights are on both ends, if you guys can see that. Right now, there is a drain pipe on the bottom that you cannot see, but I'll show you later on. Refrigerator for 12 hours. It's been doing it more than a little more longer than that. We have it plugged in for quite a while. I'm going to show you the controllers in front of it so you guys can see. Not only that you have the controllers in the front, but my phone has an app for this system too. So we're going to take a look at it and see how it works. All right, let me introduce you to the app. All right, so you could control the actual module from here. So we're going to connect to it right now. Here it is. We already set it up earlier. So once we connect through it, you could actually see the settings in here. 5129. Now we could change it to anything that we want. We can even turn them off from here or turn it back on. Either way, we could turn them all off if you want. You could change the input to different settings if you want. It's an option here. Also, another great thing is that they have alerts, they have settings, eco drive. You can change this different kind of formats that you want. You want to conserve more battery, you can do that. Right now, currently we have it at 51 to 29. So if you want to turn off all of them, that's pretty much what you do to save and conserve battery. Right now we're going to charge it. We just came from an event, so it's at 78%. All right, the great thing about it also, you can charge other devices, all right? So we're going to get a USB Type-C going in, all right, and out. This is an in and out. And then we're going to plug in. If you ever want to charge your phone, look at this wonderful thing, charging your phone. Look at that.